I will show you how to add animation to picture in CapCut. So after you open the CapCut, now import your image. So now here is my picture. I want to add animation to this image. So now I will remove the background of the image. I'll go to this video, remove background, auto remove. So I want to use this one. So now after you insert the image, so now click on the image. After you select the image like this, go to this animation. Under this animation, there is three category of the animation. There is in animation, out animation, and combo. So let's start with the in animation. So the in animation works in the beginning of your image. So I will just go ahead and use this one, swipe up. So if you add the in animation like this, you can choose this one, or you can just go ahead through the animation and choose the one you want to use. But for me, I want to use this swipe up. So if you apply it, as you can see now, it will start the animation at the beginning of your image. So let's play the image and see. As you can see now, here is the animation start at the beginning. So as you can see, here's the animation. So there's out animation. So the out animation works at the end of your image. So after you select the image, go to this animation out. So there is display animation. For this video, I want to use this swipe down. So I'll select this one. So as you can see now, the animation applied at the end of my image. So as you can see now, and the last one is combo. So if you select the image like this, go to this animation. So there is in and out, and there is combo. So the combo animation works on the entire image, as you can see now. So let's try it. Let's say I want to use this one. So if you click the image, as you can see now, on the entire image. Let's see. As you can see now, here is the animation. So the animation will apply to your image from the beginning to the end of your image. So that's the entire image. So you can go ahead and choose the one you want to use in this combo section, or you want to use the in or out animation for your picture. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.